Hello, Adam Rayner, Slingshot World TV. Today I've got two unboxing videos. The first is this little parcel from WASP. There's a brand new TriGrip in here. Now I'd been a bit sniffy because I thought I'm a member of the press. I am the only person in the press. Slingshot World magazine. Plot is that the expert shooters had theirs, and today Ambrose Draper, one of the best trick shooters in the whole of the UK, posted a little video of him shooting through the middle of a polo mint with one of the frames in here. The other box I've got, I have to tell you, is from Custom Composites, and JJ can't believe that I've not opened it yet. What is in here is, well, just wait and see. But really, truly, I'm not professional and jaded about this. This really is. This is so cool. Yeah, no, I'm a professional. I can wait and stuff. Yeah, Jay, literally, have you opened it yet? And I'm like, oh, I haven't yet. Thing is I've got myself a 4K camera and a really nice microphone. It just takes a bit of plugging in. You've got to get the lamp. As it is, it's not terribly well lit. I'm sorry. Blizzarding here as I'm. It's a last bit of cardboard engineering. What's it all about? Well, as a reviewer, I don't know if I have to get unbox and pack things back up as well, actually. Because in the other world of electronics, things go home again. But this, actually, what's in here? The frame has to go home because there's not very many of them. And this absolutely. Oh. Ooh, la 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 la. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, this is the WASP TriGrip. Looking at the design on the screen there. That passed the parcel. How big it is when we get in there. Oh, there's another one. Hang on. Oh, hello. I'm putting a funny face because it was explained to me, but that's my wedding ring on the product through the frame. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Look at this. Hang on, get it. There we are. Now this is a cast aluminium powder coated. Oh man, look at that beautiful, beautiful shape. And basically, well, it's one heck of a thing. Sorry, you can just see me marvelling and boggling. I'm trying to get this better lit. Here we go. This is for you guys. This is lovely. Going to be photographed for the news. So the WASP TriGrip. Beautiful. Now, always genius marketeers. This is an idea springing from the brain of both the WASPs. But in particular, I think Steve thought this. I could be completely wrong, but this is the IMP. Now, if you don't get given one of these for Christmas, you do not have... Sorry, it's my headphones beeping. You do not have anybody in your life who truly loves you. So I've got two wires in. Let's unplug that one. That's it. Computer, I think it might have. If you don't get one of these for Christmas, there's nobody in your life who truly loves you. Remember, always wear safety glasses for eye protection. What this is the cigarette tin or the tobacco tin IMP kit, BB shooter kit. Open it. I can hear you shouting at me. Oh, I got goosebumps. Oh, mate, that is so cute. I've just completely lost it as far as showing it neatly to the camera is concerned. Here we go, a bit of light. Ooh. That is so smart. So you get this little imp, right? It's just horrible. You get little teeny man set. Oh, that is so cute. It actually hurts. Oh, bless the little thing. You get some little balls of steel and a... Looks like a coated steel. Chew. Sorry, I was a geologist and you test the hardness of things with your teeth. Not just a complete mouth-obsessed, childish idiot. Yes. Oh, look at the little cute targets. Oh, mate. Do you know what? There's enough space in here. It's like immediately start tucking other things. I can see people immediately competing for it. I've got an imp, right? What have you done with yours? What else have you got in with yours? Or how have you like luxury lined it? I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Oh boys. Can I keep this bit? Oh God. Right. Boss, one love. The Wasp BB shooter kit with the IMP in HDPE. That is the cutest little thing. Behold, the Wasp IMP. Moo. A bit of stuff on the back of here. Just to use this frame, we understand sacred requires technical shoot safety, slingshot, and course, person, your slingshot should be stored and kept away from mines at all times. Always inspect frame bands attached to the pattern where damage or shot, shoot safely and responsibly. Liability disclaimer, slingshot, not to you, purchase for all seems to use the design manufacturing, destroy responsible liability, because the misuse of slingshot frame bands around related patterns in all cases, well, purchase the use of responsible products, not purchase the use of understand that if you use this frame, you do so entirely at your own risk. You little devil. Right. Now that's a piece. That is really a seriously sexy piece. That's beautiful. I shall band this up in the how to use the Nick Hegarty band set thing. I think we'll get all sorts of things looked at with that. Rulers, bands, electrical, elastic. I'm blithering because I actually ran out of space inside my very limited brain because I'm also very excited about this other one. That is serious news. And I can actually get that imp released before it's done on the internet. But in here, Wasp are the gods of the available ready right now and starter product. They get that under the stocking, you know, under the tree or in your stocking, and you're going to be beyond thrilled. Having said that, the people that are having made that beautiful metal powder coated chassis are of course Hogan's Castings, who are pro-shot catapults. But that's all about the market for the mass. Says this is fuel for the makers. Custom composites. Custom handled materials for knife, catapult, pen, sticks and more. Handmade in Ireland. J. McLaughlin. Custom Composites Online Co.UK. And that's also mailbox at Custom Composites Online Co.UK. He's on Facebook.com at Custom Composites Online. And yes, Pinterest as well. I bullied this man a little bit about when, you know, just send it. But he insisted on saying, no, I want you to have an awesome pack of stuff. And he's spoilt me. Now, I've got some swag here. I've got cards. Oh, look at the key ring. I'm getting excited about the stupidest thing. I've got to look at this first because there's no way I'm going to remember to after I get completely flipping blown away by what I know is silly edges. I'll unpack this carefully. That's just a this is one of these things. I'm sorry, I can't bear it because I'm flipping nicking this thing. Oh, courier. The joys of working from home in suburbia. There was a carpet cleaner. Yeah. Yes, it took me. This is a keyring. It's really cute. So much for the one take. It's no good. Let's get into this here box of stuff because sorry about the jarring thing. What I have here are composites. These are slabs of stuff made for, like it said in the blurb, knives and stuff. Oh. Emerald, 155 by 105, 8mm. This is 25 quid. Now, bearing in mind, just seeing these through cellophane. One thing I can do as a reviewer is pack stuff back up. I think I can safely reseal a bag or two. Sorry, you don't see my bloody face right there. There we go. 4K. Can you count the bloody LEDs in that lamp? What I'm going to do is move this around gently because my monitor here, it's a very technical term for the level of ability of me to see into this. It's shit. No, I get an idea of what's going on the monitor. Nothing like as good as the sound in the headphones. This is exquisite. Now do bear in mind that all the weird colours you're seeing are subject to the light I'm using here, which is something that the professionals amongst you are going to whinge about because, well, I've got a big daylight and I'm not using it because it's over there for photography in the other room. That's beautiful. This Kevlar Nomex honeycomb green glow in the dark. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Charge it, charge it. You can't see how it all through the bag across, can you? Wow, this is bloody gorgeous. I want you to be able to see the colour. This is being very resistant to photography. It's just looking not much. It's bloody sumptuous with the colour shining through it. Let's try something a bit more dramatic. Let's try this. Maybe looking at it. No, there's not a lot I can do with the decent looks of it, but I can tell you this is this is going to be gorgeous. This is a glow in the dark. Hang on a sec. Can't see the light coming off it in there. Not enough gradient for me to ever see anything. I bet that it's a bit horrible on camera. Oh, look at the fat bloke putting his head away like a tortoise. I'm going to do these up neatly later because it's boring watching me do it. This poplar burl stabilised, and then there's Nomex honeycomb. Oh, and a silver resin. This is just beautiful. This is another exquisite custom composite. Look at this. Let you look at this one a bit properly. Even with the terrible lighting I've got here. See it, but I'll see it on my face. You don't want to see me. Oh man, that's beautiful. Then, aluminium honeycomb, translucent green. La 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 la. Oh, translucent green now. Look at this. Oh man. I think I just worked out a way for people to see some of the shit. So that's my chair going, I got a fat bastard sitting on me. Creak. Oh God. Whoa. Gosh knows if this is looking any good on camera. It's probably just looking like an idiot waving stuff around. More poplar bulbs, a stabilised green with some blue and purple. Oh man. The poplar. The one that stole the silver spoons. Put your arms up. Frozen that way forever, according to Poplar. Legend. Some poplars in the south in Surrey, particularly famous as a roost for the green ring-necked parakeet, supposedly escapees from the original filming of the movie in the 50s. What was it? Broken honeycomb. Aluminium with blood red and toxic green. Oh man. There we go. Hoopla. Oh, that is so beautiful. That's easier to film as well. Wow. I mean, just wow. Banksia seed pod stabilised. Copper and ivory resin. The legendary Banksia seed pod. They are heavy duty bits of woodwork for looking after their seeds. They're Australian outback type plant, and they're imported to the UK for use by these guys. There we go. That is gorgeous. Oh man, just imagine this with a really heavy duty shine on it. Oh dear. Now, Jay has sent me these by way of support for the magazine because it's issue 2 time, and well, he hasn't given me some money to say, hey, advertise because I'm a big corporation, and then what he has done is give me the sweat of his brow and his materials, but it comes down to one hell of a payment. That really is. That's going to pay for his big old ad. Doesn't buy me oohing and ahhing. That's just what happens because of how they look. I mean, God's sakes, look at these things. You be the judge. And tell me if you're impressed. That's poplar bulb, and that's stabilised with storm cloud grey. Storm cloud, beautiful. Aurora Borealis. On my tick list, I've been to Iceland and only just seen a little tiny hint of it. My life bucket list, but look at this stuff. This is exquisite. Now that I know is catching the light. Ooh, perfect reflection. How about that? Hang on, there we go. Amazing reflection over the surface. Ooh. Oh man, there's not a bubble or a flaw in any one of these pieces. They're all absolutely perfect. This is golden brown and copper. So, custom composites. And I think he's inexpensive compared to what other people are charging. I don't know if he spent more than a year. About £100 a month at that. Wrestling with how do you do this stuff. Because he just wanted it to be of a sufficient standard before he was going to offer it to the world. Now, I've been looking at this sort of thing for a couple of years. I know there are some legends out there in the composites market. But this is beyond just merely, oh, look at this stuff, it's cool. This is bloody awesome. There's a bit here, it's got a whole big piece of tape on it. Making crackly noises. There we go. There's a way to make the sticky tape get in. There we go. So he's folded the bag because he said he had a little flaw in this. He won't send anything out. This is perfect, and there was a flaw in this piece, so he's reduced the size and reduced the cost accordingly. It's only £20. It's ridiculous. Stabilised maple belt, green and blue fade. £20. Are you bloody joking? I mean, you know. Okay, it costs money to make these things, but personally, for the time and effort these things must cost to make, I think he's underpriced. But that's just, you know, that's my opinion. I'm a journalist. Who am I? Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, God. This one weighs more than the others. And again, is a slight folded over. It's a burlap micarta. And again, he's reduced the price of this because it's slightly smaller than full size. On account of, he says, oh, I'm of some description. I don't even know what he happened there. There was some little item, microscopic thing that you could see that other people couldn't, or what have us. So I'm doing it off camera. I care like hell about making sure the packaging is kept in one piece there, so you don't this isn't a bit of card shopping and keyring. Oh, here we go. Wait, thank you. Oh, it's in two pieces. Oh, it still smells resinacious. I had plastic wrap when I was a kid. This is taking me back to when I was 7. Strange how the smell from a grill could spark off nostalgia. It's a very important part of our human survival mechanism. The olfactory taste centre of your brain is very close to the long-term memory. In our case, you might have had something horrible, too much of, when you were a youngster and can't ever drink cider again, or whatever it is. But it takes you back. Those are really smart. That's something that will benefit by some really lovely polishing stuff. So, custom composites. And this brand new chassis in metal, powder coated, from WASP Slingshots. But I have to say, where did I put that thing? The imp. You're going to want this so much. You can taste it. Look at that. Thank you very much. And Rainer, Slingshot World TV. First issue still very much available, always will be, and that's Slingshot World Co UK store. Cheers.